Alright guys, so today we're going to continue with order operations. Yesterday we only had two operations, now we have three. I'm going to give you there, set that away. Alright, so just for us to remember the order operations, I call it GEMS. Groups. After we do the groups, we do the exponents. After we do multiplication, division, and then we do subtraction and addition. But we have to be careful. We have to, there's more than one. Like in multiplication, there's more than one. Or addition, there's more than one. Go from left to right. If I look at number one, that group, that parentheses, could be considered two different cases. It could be considered 0 plus 3. It could be looked at 0 plus 3 or 1 minus 4, which are two different answers. For this case, since we have to go from left to right, have to do the 1 minus 1 first, so that one is a 0 plus 3 parentheses. How much is 0 plus 3? 3. So that whole parentheses is 3. Notice that I went from left to right inside the group. So my question here, it says 6 divided by 3. How much is 6 divided by 3? 2. Question number 2. I have no group. I have one exponent. Let me work the multiplication division first. How much is 15 divided by 3? 5. So I have 5 plus 2 plus 5. Let me go from left to right. How much is 5 plus 2? 7. So I have 7 plus 5. How much is 7 plus 5? 12. So follow the order of operation. Once again, number 1, the parentheses could have been 0 plus 3 or 1 minus 4, depending on which order we follow. But go from left to right. So it was 0 plus 3. Any questions on the front? Yes.
Number 5.
Let's take a look at number 5. Let me do the group first. So let me do the parentheses. How much is 3 plus 1 plus 1? 5. Alright, so the whole group is 5. So then I get 15 divided by 5. How much is that? 3. Okay. Right. Any other questions from the front? 7. Alright, have no groups, I have no exponents, but I see a division and a multiplication. There's a plus in between it. Let me copy the plus. Let me do the division and multiplication first. How much is 18 divided by 3? 6. How much is 2 times 6? 12. Keep in mind the addition, I'm doing it at the end. So now, how much is 6 plus 12? 18. Any other questions from the front? Now let me flip the page. Let me take a look at number 11. I'm going to say instead of n, I'm going to use a 2. Instead of an n, I'm going to use a 5. So let me write this as 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5. Right? Remember in the order operations, groups, exponents, multiplication, division, I see none of those. It's all addition, subtraction. So let me do addition, subtraction from left to right. How much is 5 plus 2? 7 plus 5? How much is 7 plus 5? 12. Then the last one is plus 5? 17. Okay. Let me take a look at number 12. Instead of x, I'm going to use 2. Instead of y, I'm going to use 3. So let me have a 3, a 2 squared, plus 2. When two things are together, like a 3 and a 2, since I don't want it to look like 32, I want it to seem different. When two things are put together, let me put a times in between, which is I'm going to represent as a little dot, or sometimes it looks like a little X. However you want to represent it. So I have no groups, but I see exponents. I see exponent there. How much is 2 squared? 4. So this looks like 3 times 4 plus 2. I know I have to do multiplication before I add. So how much is 3 times 4? 12. And then to finish, how much is 12 plus 2? 14. You can follow your order operations. Any questions? Notice yesterday we only had like 2 steps. Today we have 3. Tomorrow we got 4, and Thursday we got 5. We got a few of those on Friday. I mean on Thursday. Let me take them over really quick.